Alright, I am doing a brisket that we got from the butchers. We just got a half a cow. It's probably about a 12 pounder. And I'm not cooking it in a smoker. Or at least not an offset or vertical. To the mix with all of his might, a genius of flavors. His creation so sweet, Bronx corn dishes, always a treat. The taste tester lady, she's got the say. Is it ballin' or fallin'? She'll decide today. With every bite she takes, her palate's keen. The ultimate judge in this cooking scene. Alright, seasoned up and ready to go in the morning. Alright, I'm currently in my shed with my smokers. It's 5 a.m. Halloween morning. My sidekick's with me, Anakin. We got some coals going. We're going to be using the cinder block pit today. I am doing a whole brisket from a local butcher that we will obviously eat some slices, and I'll be turning it into stew for tomorrow. Alright, sun's starting to come up. I got the brisket on the pit with the coals, some cherry wood. I do have the brisket elevated off the grate just a little bit to give it a little more height. I will put a board over top and in front to keep the smoke in. We'll see how it goes. Okay, what I'm doing over here will be for a cook for later, which will actually be today's dinner. I'm going to do 2 whole chickens. This is what I do for this side. I have this steel plate in front, board over top, just to capture the smoke. She's going. This is definitely a little bit slower than if I did it in my offset, but it's a challenge and I love doing it. I am currently cutting up some hickory. I already got some cherry. We'll keep rolling. Capturing the action with a speed so true, directing the shots, making every scene tight. The video's a journey, a culinary flight. Alright, it is a little bit after noon, 12 o'clock, like 12:12, something like that. I have this side going, one, because I want to warm it up and I'm using it for hot coals. But tonight's dinner will be going right there, here very shortly. Let's give a check on the brisket. Temp is right around 150. It's going, developing a good bark. Juices flowing. I have been spritzing with just water. I'm not sure if I'm going to wrap. I'm not a huge fan of wrapping things, so we'll see. Alright, I just spritzed with water. Loving the bark color. Thinking I'm not wrapping. And now I can show you 2 whole chickens, which will be today's dinner. The spicy one. Now, the reason for the wood is this. Just to help capture some of the smoke and heat. Down here, as you can see, I have more of a bigger pile over here that I'm going to use for building coals. And over here, a few chunks of cherry, which is going to hit the chicken and go through and go on the brisket. Alright, it is about 5 minutes till 4. Brisket's still going. I'm loving the color. Temperature is right around 175. I got some cherry wood going. I've decided to not wrap because I'm just not a fan. Chickens are about 5 minutes away from being done. Good thing about the way I redesigned this pit is it kind of has an offset smoker kind of vibe to it. Like, I don't have to have hardly any fire over on the other side because all the heat goes from over here to over there. That's the spicy one. I'm going to be pulling these in a couple minutes, and then I'll keep the brisket rolling. Alright, it is 6:30. I got a little bit of beef tallow I made warmed up. Still got a fire going. A little bit. For probably the last 2 hours, I've pretty much used this, probably 3 hours, as an offset. And it is working great. Oh, now my cherry wood caught on fire. Loving the color. Piece of cherry wood caught flame. That's okay, I'm about to pull it off. I am going to wrap it in butcher paper with that beef tallow, and then wrap it in foil, and wrap it in a towel, and then it'll go in a cooler overnight. And then tomorrow, we'll see what we do with it. It'll be for stew. Alright, brisket is still wrapped. I held it in a cooler overnight. Now I got it on here. I'm just going to, I did put it in the refrigerator this morning. So I am just bringing it back up to 140, 145 degrees. And while that's going, I have a fire over here. Dutch oven will go on. And I'll start getting the onions, potatoes, carrots, celery, and all that going. Brisket's going. I do got 2 temp probes in it. One in the point, one in the flat. Carrot, celery, onion, some seasoning, a few bay leaves. I will be adding some beef broth and the potatoes here shortly. Alright, I got a pan over top just to kind of trap some of the heat. We're at 101 and 107. Like I said, I did refrigerate this once it got cool enough.
With our taste testers, verdict, every dish is fate. We cook with passion, nothing second rate. Join us in the kitchen for a flavor parade. On smoking, grilling, and chilling. Memories made from Buck's Corner to Dennis Command. Our culinary journey, the best in the land. Denny's in command, serving up flavors, the best in the land. From ribs to brisket, his skills do shine. Master of the grill, every dish divine. Our cameraman swift like a scout from TF2, capturing the action with a speed so true. Directing the shots, making every scene tight. The video's a journey.
Alright, I cut up the brisket. Completely forgot to do a video. The point is in the stew. Potatoes, carrots, celery, onion, seasonings. No stew seasoning at all. Just a blend of seasonings. I'll let that go for a bit, and then we'll be ready.
Every recipe crafted with love and care. The taste of barbecue beyond compare. We marinate and baste, grill to perfection. Each dish a testament to culinary affection. With flavor so bold, you'll savor each bite. Smoking, grilling, and chilling, cooking done right. From tender ribs to spicy wings, every meal a masterpiece.